wrapped up in there.
Hard drive. That's for the new computer, right? Is that SATA?
Yeah.
Logitech. Logitech. Rams. Rams. Intel. Modem. Office. Intel. Windows. For all you haters that don't think you can get Windows XP anymore. And last but not least, a drive. Oh snap, son! Like loose screws just chilling in here.
Really?
And not like 4 or 2, but 5. 5 loose screws just kind of chilling out in there.
They're gonna throw in one extra.
That's quality there.
That's a little bit weird, actually. I thought you ordered a hard drive for the computer up there.
I did.
Where's it at?
Probably in that other box.
The other box is just a case.
Oh.
You look like one of them guys from over in Iraq. That's a very big turban.
So on today's episode,
$100 bill.
we're talking about tree love. 450 watt.
Get close to that. Yeah!
Extreme! I don't know what's extreme about it, but... Take it easy! Quit being so extreme in here.
Get a little closer, a little closer, a little
Extreme!
closer.
Dude. Those wires are really sharp.
Oh man, they give you a lot of them too.
Sure, they look like they fit on the outside.
Compared to the ones I'm used to, those are sharp.
Hey, you know how they do like on Pimp My Ride? You know, we could like chop the top on this, lower it,
Some spinners on it.
put some hydraulic feet on there. Like your tone. That is flimsy.
That is... Are you still recording?
Yeah, it's very, very cheap.
Wow. Dude, it's got like... a little dent right there. That's terrible.
That's cheap. Real cheap, right there.
Real stinking nice.
But that's what you get when you have this guy put your computer together.
We only use top,
Not really.
top brand quality brand parts. Like Intel. Let's see what comes in the Intel Classic series.
Let's see the front of that box one more
I've
time.
actually never, ever...
Right there. Intel Classic desktop board.
I've actually never had one of these. It's my first time using the Classic series board.
See what this board looks like. The accessories it comes with.
2 SATAs. 1 IDE. Floppy cable. Are you serious? Backplate. Drivers. Stickers. Manual.
And now, the moment of truth. Is it worth what he thought it was going to be worth?
don't know what kind of potatoes looks like in half. Man.
Perfect.
Was it worth all the trouble?
The trouble.
No! The board still sucks.
There's no trouble. What's up, guys?